Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have my IPSY, but this month I upgraded to the Glam Bag Plus. So this is available for $25 a month. So I got this instead of my regular $10 sample bag. This one has full-size products. So this one is going to be similar to, say, BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm also has a deluxe box that you can get. That one is like $50, I think. And I did not go for that one. I just went with my regular BoxyCharm because $50 is a big price tag. But for $25, I was like, okay, let's see. So anyway, I was very excited. Let me show you what I got. So I did just get this morning. I just wanted to put that disclaimer out there. Okay, so the first thing, they do actually include a bag, and this is definitely a much nicer, higher quality bag. The outside is kind of a fake suede-y kind of a thing, and then you've got this cute little pocket. It's, you know, it's nice. Like, this is definitely a good size usable bag. So this is really nice. The pamphlet actually is a pamphlet. Usually with IPSY, you just get a card that says something that has nothing to do with anything. This actually has product information. So I like that personally. Okay, so the first thing in here is from Ciaté London. Oh, I should also mention that all of these products are cruelty-free. Yay, IPSY. Okay, so Ciaté London, this is Dewy Spritz. So I'm gonna try to show you. If you look at it right now, it just looks like a clear, normal face spray. But if you shake it up, and you do kind of have to shake it good because sometimes the stuff gets stuck in the bottom. Okay, let's see. Can you see this glorious, swirly beautifulness going on? Can you see it? Oh, I hope my camera's picking this up because it's so pretty. This is a hydrating dewy spray, and it does have hyaluronic acid as well as like green tea or something. Yeah, green tea extract. So it is supposed to be good for your skin. It is also oil-free, which is, you know, nice, I guess, if you have oil issues. I have dry skin, and it is Santa Ana's have come to Southern California, and it is like, I don't know, 2% humidity outside. I'm not even exaggerating on that. It's so dry, and my skin is parched. My hair is frizzy, and that doesn't normally happen to me. Like, you know, things are bad. I'm so dehydrated. Anyway, so I was excited to get this Dewy Spritz. I have sprayed it on 3 times since I got it. I put it on underneath my makeup, and then I put it on over, because it does say to prime and set. Really, it's just sort of a finishing spray. It's not going to keep your makeup on any longer. I feel like at first it's like, ooh, dewy, and then 3 seconds later, I can't see anything. I don't see any pearlescent wonderfulness happening on my skin. So I don't know. I mean, it could be that this will work better when the humidity is back in the air and my skin is not just sucking everything up. Like I said, this is oil-free. It does have hyaluronic acid in it though, so I don't know, we'll see. I think this is definitely going to be a long-term, unsure what to make of it. It is so pretty though, I just wanna stare at it all day. Okay, so anyway, first product, 10 minutes in. Let's do this. The next thing is from Beauty by PopSugar, and this is a tinted lip balm, and it's in the color Blush Crush, and it smells good. Oh, I think it just got on my nose. It smells, you know, kind of sweet. It's not an overpowering scent. I can see little bits in there, which sometimes happens to my lip products, not necessarily because they're old, but because they've melted and then solidified again. And so the like coconut oil or whatever is in there will kind of show up as bits. So it's not a big deal. I saw somebody complain that theirs expired in December. Oh yeah, mine too, 12/18. That's interesting. When you say tinted lip balm to me, I think of a lip balm with a little bit of tint. This to me is more like a lipstick with a moisturizing feel to it. You know what I mean? So let me swatch it. Okay, so the color is pretty pigmented. I mean, that to me is definitely more than just a tinted lip balm, and I don't particularly like this color. It's just not me, I don't know. And because it is a very creamy pigmented lipstick, I probably won't wear this. This is gonna be one of those products that I pass along to somebody else. It's not that it's bad, it's just not something that I will use. This is from a company called LXMI. I've never actually heard of them. Evidently they are out of Uganda. Yeah, Uganda. Made with Nilotica fruit butter. I have no idea if I'm saying that right, which I believe, I mean, I haven't done a whole lot of research on this, is basically just shea butter, I think. I mean, because that's what it says on the back. It says, you know, shea butter. So, I don't know. Anyway, but it's from Uganda and it is a very thick, it's like hard to squeeze out of here. When you do squeeze it out, it comes out kind of a creamy, buttery feeling thing, and then when you rub it in, it warms up and turns into more of an oil. And you're supposed to use it on dry patches. You can use it on your lips, you can use it around your eyes. It has a little bit of a scent, but it's not like it's scented, it's just, you know, that's how it smells. It does feel really nice, and like I said, I'm so dry right now. This is soaking right into my skin, and I'm loving it. Plus, it's really cute packaging. You know, I like the fun colors on there. Okay, next we have a Morphe highlighter. So I don't think I have anything by Morphe, but then I remember myself saying that. So I don't know if that was just something that I said in my head once or if I've actually said that. I am losing my mind. Anyway, this is a highlighter and I like the packaging. You've got a big old mirror and a nice big pan there. This is high impact highlighter in Extra, and I am wearing it today. I don't know if you can tell. It's this color and it's pretty pigmented. I feel like it's more pigmented than it is shimmery, if that makes sense. Okay, my hands are all waxy now, but let's see. Can you see this? Is it coming off? Oh, it's like, now it's like blending into my hand. You probably can't even see it. Anyway, I do have it on today and it definitely adds quite a glow and it is pigmented, but I feel like it's also colored, if that makes sense. Like a lot of times with highlighter, it's like all you see is the shimmer. With this, you definitely see this beigey color on your face. I don't know, maybe that's just me. Anyway, moving on to something else. Okay, this is from Tarte Cosmetics and this is the Maneater mascara. I do like Tarte mascaras, so I was really excited, and this has one of those fat rubber wands with very short bristles. So I do like those types of wands, and I used it today and I feel like it was okay. It didn't do anything extra special for my lashes, but you know, I don't know. I feel like I also need to give this a little extra time because sometimes it's just my lashes. You know, so I don't know, but we'll see. I'm excited to try that. I do love Tarte Cosmetics. And then the final thing I have in here is from Smashbox. We have this sort of holographic packaging here. The packaging is actually weird because this is underneath the lips. You kind of have to, I don't know, it's just a little bit weird. It's magnetic and it has a nice mirror in there, and then some gorgeous glittery shades. Aren't these so pretty? So I was looking on the IPSY website and there was this one angry person who was commenting, and she got a lot of the same stuff that I did, and she was like, this is awful, it's just the most terrible thing, and IPSY is just giving away things that the companies couldn't sell. She mentioned that about this one too. And I feel like this palette is interesting. When I used it, okay, first thing I did, of course, I shoved my fingers in there and I swatched it on my hand, and I was like, okay, nothing is, oh, my finger's covered, but there's nothing actually wiping off on my hand. So then I go sit down and I actually put them on my eyeballs. And so I used this kind of purpley color right here, and I used like a dense flat shader brush, and I felt like it was picking up very little glitter at all, and a little bit of color, but not much. Then I went in with my finger and I packed on some of the pink glitter, you know, just like in the center of my eye, and that worked very well. And then I did the same thing with the blue and the green, and then I went back in with a fluffy brush to this purple one, and I used that like in my crease, and that actually picked up the color and not the glitter. So it was like, it was kind of interesting. Like I felt like all of these are sort of dual use. If you want that glitter, use your finger. If you just want the color, use a fluffy brush. using a dense shader brush didn't work well for me at all. I then went into this one, you can see I like really dug into that because I was using a flat liner brush, you know, the kind that's like pink. And I wet it and did my eyeliner, which I thought worked really, really well actually. And it stuck on there because then I went over it again with a fluffy brush and it stayed put. So I was happy about that. I just used like MAC Fix Plus to wet my brush. So that seemed to work well. So I feel like this is not as awful as that one person said, but I feel like it's one of those things that you kind of have to play with and figure out how you can make it work for you. The colors are so much fun and so pretty. I love palettes like this that you can do more of a neutral eye and then just add a hint of color, or you can, you know, pack on 3 different glitter shades for a more festive look, you know, whatever you want to do. Obviously, I like color in my life. So, you know, I don't know. Right now, I think it's one of those things that I'm gonna have to play with, but I like it and I think that it works well. And I'm happy with the way that my makeup has turned out. And I didn't get a bunch of fallout or glitter all over the place or anything like that. So I'm happy. Okay, and that completes this month's IPSY. So I am happy with this box. I think for $25, you do get a nice selection. Now, normally you would only get 5 products, and this one, because it was their first, they gave you 6. So, you know, I mean, your call. What do you think? $5 a product, essentially? You know, I mean, for something that like this spray is $25. So, you know, I mean, you're definitely getting your money's worth, absolutely, and you get to try new products and new things. I could, if I wanted to, go back to my $10 bag. So I think I might do maybe another month of this and see how it works out. And we will see if I decide to go back to the $10 sample bag, because I do love the $10 sample bag. It's only $10 and I always get great samples, and I have so much makeup, there's no way that I'm ever going to finish anything anyway, so why not just get samples, right? So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you got this month, what you think of the Glam Bag Plus, how you feel about these products. Are you as angry as that one person? Or are you more like me and you're like, hey, it's not that bad, you know, you just kind of have to work with it. I don't know, I'm always like trying to give a positive spin on things, but that's just me. That's just me. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.